Hey, what's up, guys? James from Junkyard Fox. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful spring day here in West Texas, and I decided that I'm going to make the best of it, and I'm going to camp next door. Now, once again, with the whole situation happening recently, we're basically on a state of, I wouldn't say lockdown, but really only go out for necessities, then come home and stay here. So because of that, I haven't been able to go outdoors and camp or do any adventurous stuff, and it's just been driving me crazy. I'm not gonna say that I don't enjoy my home, but I'm just not used to staying still so often. So I'm gonna make the best of the situation, and I'm gonna camp in a vacant lot next door. It's not used by anybody. My cats play out here. So once again, making the best of it. I'm gonna just do an overnighter out here, set up my tent, set up a fire, and cook some good food. So I know it's not the same as my usual, more adventurous type of camping trips, but let's make the best of it. So I'm gonna enjoy myself. Hopefully you join me and you enjoy yourself as well. So let's get started. Okay, so I was just standing right up there. I made my way down here, getting past all this brush, and here it is. Here is this vacant lot. And then the street is this way. But yeah, just somewhere up here. I'm just gonna look around for a little spot where I don't have to worry about nails on the floor or something like that. And then I'm gonna set up my tent. And then I'll set up the Yuko grill. And tonight we'll be having some chicken fajitas. It's going to be a solo overnighter. So obviously Cuervo's not with me. This is going to be a solo overnighter. He does live pretty far from where I do. So he's here in spirit, but it's just going to be me. Maybe I might have my cats out here camp with me. That'll be a first. That'd be cool. But yeah, so chicken fajitas, steak fajitas are on the menu tonight. We're going to have a 12-pack of some cold Coors Banquet, and I brought my harmonica. Believe it or not, I used to be quite proficient at the harmonica years ago. Then I got lazy, and Cuervo did all the music after that, but I don't know, I'm feeling a little musical, so let's get to it. All right, folks, so I'm just about ready. So here is Home Sweet Home, keeping it very simple, pulling out my old Embark brand tent. So let's check it out, give you guys a little tour. Now, of course, there's my hat. It's just really humid today. So yeah, I was getting sweaty. Charger for now. And then inside, it's springtime, so I'm keeping it simple. Wool blanket, sleeping bag, my haversack. I don't expect it to be cold, to be honest. Honestly, I think I'm going to be comfortable. Of course, up here I have my Yuko lantern for the nighttime. And as you can tell, I didn't set up the little roof flap. Once again, I mean, it's cloudy outside, but I don't expect rain. So, hopefully I'm mistaken and we do get some rain. That would be really awesome. But realistically, this town, the place where I live, it's such a tease when it comes to rain that I'm just not gonna get excited over that. But yeah, this way I could get a little bit of breeze, look at the stars and stuff in case it does clear up later on, hopefully. Then I'm gonna be making a one stick fire. Do I need to make a one stick fire? I mean, I'm 20 feet away from home. I could just get a lighter for sure, but I'm gonna make the most of this. And today I'm gonna play around with this knife right here. This is the La Roca Knives Kumpani blade. So the Green River and the Cons Bowl, both of them got the day off today. They're at home relaxing, and today I'm pulling out this bad boy right here. Look at that. I feel like this is honestly like a cross between my Green River Hunter knife mixed with like an Alti-Rite Genesis in a Scandi. I mean, it just has that classic profile, but it's much tougher. So yeah, gonna have some fun there. And then of course my Yuko grill where I'm gonna be making the fire. Of course, being in the city, I don't want to make a campfire and then risk getting in trouble. So I'm gonna be using that. And God, I gotta take care of that. It's been neglected for some time, and it looks pretty ugly. But yeah, dinner will be up soon. for now, I'm going to enjoy a beer and make some fire. Wrong hand. I don't know how you guys do it. You other YouTubers that go out by yourself and all you guys do is use tripods and stuff, you guys are crazy, because I struggled so bad to focus on two things, to focus on feather sticking and batoning at the same time trying to get that angle. I'm struggling because I'm trying to view what the camera's picking up, but at the same time there's a glare. Yeah, I was so apologies. This video's not gonna have the best angles, the most exciting stuff. But kudos to you guys, all you guys that do it on your own. I'm lucky that I have Cuervo for the most of the time, and he's doing the camera duties as well as music, so it makes it a lot easier for me to focus on what I'm doing. But yeah, that was pretty was a bit of a challenge. So it's not my best feather sticking, one, because I was having to deal with the camera, and two, because honestly I'm not really a scanning knife guy. Honestly, I'm more of a flat grind, so I'm used to using flat grind knives, and I really have not used this knife much, so there's a learning curve to it. We have a guest, actually. Look at this ugly guy. That's Andrew Jackson. That's my boy, and he decided to come join me out here today. Or he's just being nosy. He probably picks up the smell of the steaks. You can't drink. Psst, Andrew Jackson. Anyway. Come on. Yeah. Okay guys, so here's dinner. Now, these are flour tortillas from Taco Cabana. I have marinated steak. That was supposed to be habanero chilies. I could have sworn that's what I bought at the store, but apparently I wasn't reading, and I got salsa, so that was my bad. And then fresh avocados with some salt on it. So that's dinner right there. Gonna wash it down with some Coors, and once again the La Roca Campani knife. Beautiful blade. And of course my little Dexter cutlery little meat fork. So time to chow down. Once again, apologies that the angles aren't as exciting, but this food is exciting. And that looks so good. So, time to munch. Such a simple meal. Alright, let's see if I can still play the mouth harp. It has been a few years, so take it easy on me. Let's see, what can we play? Let's try This Land Is My Land by Woody Guthrie. Really old school folk singer from the 1930s and 40s. Let's give that a shot. Little rusty, little rusty. Should have practiced before trying it. Let's try another one. Okay. Wrong ways. Okay, let's go ahead and try Blowin' in the Wind by Bob Dylan. This song was released in 1962, if I remember correctly. And, yeah, very early song from Bob Dylan, very simplistic. So, hopefully I remember it. God, I suck. A little bit better, a little bit better. I need my beer. All right, one more, and then I will stop torturing you guys. Let's see if I remember this one. Now, this one I should remember because this is a song for my little girl, Kali, my youngest kitten. She's out here playing. I think the fire scares her. But this one's for her. A little bit better. Once I start buzzing, I'll start playing a lot louder and a lot worse. Something made its way into my tent. Something evil. Who are you? Who are you, ugly thing? You're so dusty. Get out of the tent, please. Get out of the tent. Who's out there? Show yourself, coward. Who are you? Who sent you? Are you an agent? Are you a CIA agent? Okay, folks, so it is morning time, and it's time to start pulling up stakes and making the long journey back home. So thank you for joining me. I had a really fun time. This was such a nice break from the current ugly situation. So if you have a yard, I highly recommend it. Just get out there, get a little fire going, cook up some good food, have a good beer, and just enjoy yourself, especially if you have kids. I think this could be something really fun and enjoyable. And once again, just to get people's minds off of the current situation and, you know, shake off a little bit of that cabin fever. So thank you guys once again for joining me. I know it wasn't, you know, some spectacular adventure, but, you know, once again, I had a fun time and I really needed it. I needed to see a fire. I really needed to eat something good and just sit back and relax. So once again, thank you guys. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Now go outside and get your boots dirty. Alright, so I'm about to start getting ready to go back inside, start breaking down this tent. Funny thing, I was having a good time, but I couldn't help but feel like I was being watched somehow. I don't know. I guess I'm being paranoid right now.